Celebrating 30 years since the Boxster concept car, Porsche has launched the new 718 Spyder RS, a remarkably powerful version of their renowned mid-engined roadster. This iteration of the Spyder is unique as it marks the first time Porsche has incorporated the high-revving naturally aspirated engine from the 911 GT3 into an open-topped mid-engine sports car. The 718 RS, offering a thrilling blend of performance and pleasure, crowns the 718 mid-engine model line. The 718 Spyder RS features a 4-liter 6-cylinder Boxster engine identical to that in the 718 Cayman GT4 RS. This high-revving powertrain can generate an impressive 500 horsepower and maximum torque of 450 Newton-meters. The combination of this powerful engine and a short-ratio 7-speed PDK transmission enables the Spyder RS to achieve 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and reach 124 miles per hour in just 10.9 seconds. Notably, the Spyder RS has a top speed of 191 miles per hour. The 718 Spyder RS is defined by its lightweight construction, weighing in at 1,410 kilograms, 40 kilograms less than the 718 Spyder with PDK, and even 5 kilograms lighter than the closed 718 Cayman GT4 RS. This weight reduction contributes significantly to the vehicle's superior performance. The Spyder RS is available exclusively with the Porsche dual-clutch transmission, promising lightning-fast gear shifts and maximized performance. Porsche has also devoted attention to the aerodynamics of the 718 Spyder RS. Its front end is nearly identical to the 718 Cayman GT4 RS, with two NACA air intakes that enhance brake cooling without affecting the drag coefficient. To ensure aerodynamic balance, the 718 Spyder RS features a distinctive ducktail-shaped tear-off edge instead of a wing. This is a slight departure from the 718 Cayman GT4 RS, which requires a larger spoiler lip due to its higher overall downforce. The new 718 Spyder RS is equipped with a manually operated lightweight soft-top design. The compact roof is composed of two parts, a sun sail and a weather deflector, both of which can be removed and stowed as needed. When the side windows are raised, the weather deflector and the sun sail create an effective shield against rain. The entire roof, including mechanical parts, weighs just 18.3 kilograms, helping to further reduce the overall weight of the vehicle. In terms of suspension, the 718 Spyder RS utilizes components from the 718 Cayman GT4 RS and features a standard Porsche active suspension management system with sports tuning. The system can be lowered by 30 millimeters and is designed for maximum enjoyment on winding roads. This high-precision sports suspension also includes Porsche torque vectoring, with a mechanical limited slip differential and ball-jointed suspension bearings. Inside, the 718 Spyder RS sports a minimalistic design, focusing on functionality and ergonomics. The interior features a grippy RS Sports steering wheel covered with race text, full bucket seats made of lightweight CFRP in a carbon weave finish, and seat covers made of black leather with perforated Racetech seat centers. The car comes in a variety of exterior colors, including 3 metallic paints and 4 plain ones. A Weissach package is available for the 718 Spyder RS, offering an even more sporty edge. The optional magnesium-forged wheel, which reduces unsprung and rotating masses by 10 kilograms, is part of this package. The sports exhaust system tailpipes are made of titanium. This package is inspired by the limited edition 935 from 2018 and adds visual interest to the car's interior. Exclusively available to buyers of the 718 Spyder RS is a Porsche-designed timepieces handcrafted chronograph. Made in Porsche's in-house watchmaking operation in Solothurn, Switzerland, this premium quality watch is designed to match the configuration of the car, with a lightweight case made of titanium, a carbon dial, and a strap made out of vehicle leather. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.